Imagine talking to a computer that truly listens, understands, and responds like a real person right as you speak. Meet GPT-4o, the AI that talks, sees, and thinks like us in real time. For a long time, computers felt cold and robotic. They answered in stiff ways, repeating facts with no emotion. But now, something has changed. GPT-4o is the first AI that can sense your feelings, pick up your tone, and even notice what's happening in your photos. It's a leap forward, one that feels almost magical. People are already calling it the human AI. It sees, hears, and talks with the flow of a real conversation. If you laugh, it gets it. If you're sad, it notices. With GPT-4o, you're not just using a machine, you're meeting a new kind of intelligence, one that's finally starting to fit into our world, our lives, and even our emotions. So, what exactly is GPT-4o? In simple words, GPT-4o is the latest and most advanced artificial intelligence model from OpenAI. You might remember names like ChatGPT or GPT-4, those were big steps forward, but GPT-4o is a giant leap. The O stands for Omni, which means all. Why? Because this AI can see, hear, and talk all at once. OpenAI, the team behind this breakthrough, is a group of scientists, engineers, and dreamers pushing the limits of what computers can do. GPT-4o is the result. A model designed to understand the world in more human ways. Earlier AIs like ChatGPT could only chat with text. GPT-4 let you add images, but it was slow and not always smooth. GPT-4o changes the game, handling voice, images, and text instantly. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just curious, you can talk to it, show it things, or ask for help. No technical skills needed. It's the most natural AI experience yet. Let's talk about what makes GPT-4o really different from the AIs that came before. For years, talking to a computer meant waiting for replies. Sometimes it got your words wrong, or sounded stiff. With GPT-4o, conversations flow in real time. The AI picks up on your tone and even your emotions, something old AIs just couldn't do. You can ask GPT-4o to read a story, and it'll use a cheerful, funny voice or a calm, serious one. It knows when to pause for effect or speed up for excitement. Older AIs only used a robotic voice, but GPT-4o sounds more human every day. GPT-4o can also see, show it a picture of your dog, and it'll spot the breed, the mood, even if your dog is sleepy or excited. Need help with homework? Snap a photo of your maths problem and GPT-4o will solve it step by step. What's most shocking? GPT-4o does everything at lightning speed. No more awkward pauses or glitches. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new way to experience AI. How does GPT-4o fit into real life? Let's dive into some amazing examples. Imagine you're having a rough day. You message GPT-4o, and it recognizes sadness in your voice. It answers gently, offering supportive words or even a soothing song. Or picture this. You're cooking dinner but get stuck on a recipe. You show GPT-4o a photo of your half-cooked meal. Instantly, it spots what's missing and suggests the next step. For students, GPT-4o is a game changer. Struggling with homework? Snap a picture or read the question out loud. The AI listens, explains, and guides you patiently. It doesn't just give answers, it helps you understand. Parents say their kids stay excited about learning because the AI makes everything fun and easy. Perhaps the coolest part? GPT-4o's voice is incredibly real. It laughs, whispers, even sings on request. Some say it's better than a voice assistant, it's a conversation partner. From reading bedtime stories to role-playing as your favorite superhero, GPT-4o brings creativity to life. The world is just starting to see what's possible when an AI can see, hear, and speak as we do. It's changing how we interact with technology every day. The response to GPT-4o has been nothing short of electric. People are sharing stories that sound straight out of the future. One user was shocked when GPT-4o noticed she sounded upset and softly asked, "Are you okay?" Another said he laughed out loud when the AI told a perfectly timed joke. Some teachers have been amazed at how GPT-4o explains hard science topics in a way children finally understand. One teacher wrote, "My students ask questions they're too shy to ask in class." GPT-4o gives them confidence. There have been emotional moments too. A widower shared that GPT-4o read a special poem in the voice of his late wife, using a recording he provided. These stories show how deeply AI can touch our lives, far beyond what anyone expected. People are also surprised by GPT-4o's speed. Conversations feel instant and alive. Social media is buzzing with posts like, "I thought it was a person," or "AI finally gets me." The world is waking up to just how close AI can come to feeling truly human. With technology like GPT-4o, the future looks brighter and a little more like science fiction. Imagine having a personal helper who never sleeps, always ready to listen, help, or make you smile. Schools, homes, and workplaces are finding new ways to use GPT-4o every day. Teachers dream of AI tutors who never run out of patience. Doctors see possibilities for support in healthcare, where the AI can listen to patients and help doctors understand their needs. Businesses use GPT-4o to answer questions, solve problems, and keep customers happy. With updates coming fast, GPT-4o will get even better, learning new skills, speaking more languages, and fitting into our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. Most of all, GPT-4o proves that AI can be more than smart. It can be kind, creative, and fun. It's about helping people live better, learn more, and feel connected. The journey has just begun. So, are you curious yet? If you want to see what GPT-4o can do, now is the time. You can try chatting with it, asking questions, or showing it photos. Even if you've never used AI before, it's simple and fun. Just open the app or website and start a conversation. You might be surprised at how real it feels. Want to stay updated? Follow OpenAI and tech creators like me on social media. The world of AI is changing fast, and you don't want to miss what's next. Try GPT-4o, share your experience, and join the growing community of people exploring what's possible. The adventure is just getting started. Where will AI take you next?